welcome to Learning with Dr. Shivangi. Today's topic is nature and properties of personalities. As in the previous videos, we already started the playlist for the subject consumer behavior and also discusses various topics related to it like meaning and importance of consumer behavior, models of consumer behavior, concept of personality, and so on. So in today's video, we'll discuss about the nature and properties of personality. You can also watch other videos. Links are provided in the description box. So before I started the video, I want to say you that if you like my video, please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, which is Learning with Dr. Shivangi. Now coming to the main topic, which is nature or properties of personalities. So there are different types of natures and properties of personality. We'll discuss here. Three distinct properties of personality can be identified from the definitions of personality, which are personality reflects different traits. Second is personality is stable, consistent and enduring. And the last is personality can change under specific circumstances, though it may not change in all circumstances. So there are basically three distinct properties of personality, which are personality reflects different traits, personality is stable, consistent and enduring, and personality can be changed in the different circumstances or special circumstances, not in the all circumstances. So what are the different properties of personalities? We'll discuss in the upcoming slides. So first one is the individual traits or differences. Inner characteristics of an individual are unique to his personality. Inner capability, inner skills, inner qualities are the unique feature of any individual person. These characteristics are different from other human beings who possess widely different personality traits. This way, it can be changed that no two individuals can possess similar traits. So, no two personalities can be alike and identical. So, every person is unique in his personality. No two person can be similar to each other. It may be twins or it may be brothers also. Many individuals' traits may appear to be similar in different personality characteristics, but the personality as whole will be distinctive to each individual. There can be people with submissive personality traits. Individual can be high or low in their risk taking. They can be introvert or extrovert, open or shy, stable or moody also. However, people cannot be identified as separate segmented groups with similar personality traits. So there are different types of features of a person, depends on the qualities of the inner traits like introvert, extrovert, open or shy nature, stable or moody, risk taking or risk avoiding type of personalities. If it was so, then we could distinctly segmentize the personality traits of all the population, and it would have made the life of marketers much easier. The marketers did not have to undertake such research into consumer behavior at the individual level, as the psychological personality groups could then be easily segmented and differentiated. So on the basis of the personality of the consumers, marketers can be easily segmented the different types of customers according to their needs. So it is easier to marketer to differentiate the populations regarding to the particular product or services. The second quality or second feature of personality is it is stable, consistent and enduring. Marketers can simply address different traits in human personality, but they cannot change the personality of consumers in order to sell them their products or services. If they know which specific personality characteristic of their consumers triggers the desired consumer response, they can attempt to appeal to the relevant traits of the individuals found in their target group of consumers. So marketers can understand the consumer personality, but they can't change the personality of the consumers. So they have to modify their products and services according to the customer's demands. Even when the personality of the individual remains consistent, consumer behavior may vary due to psychological, cultural, sociological, situational factors that influence human behavior. So personality of the individual or the customers consumer or are related to psychological aspects, cultural aspects, sociological aspects and situational factors of the human behavior. So these factors maintain the personality of consumer, which influences the marketers also. The third trait is personality can change, and individual's personality may change due to many cultural, social, psychological events that can occur in the life. The personality changes when an individual has to accommodate and share his life with another person due to marriage. Events such as birth of children and loss of dear ones lead to many adjustments in an individual's personality. Similarly, getting better education, higher job and status, and family responsibilities can bring about many processes and not personality adjustments in an individual. So generally, personality cannot be changed, but for the from particular events in the life like birth or loss of any person can change the personality of a person. Personality change is usually a gradual maturing process, and a non-volatile acquires a new and improved attitude towards its roles and responsibilities. We notice such changes in men's personality at a slow pace, but the personality of women have changed more radically, where women have adapted themselves to more masculine and liberal personalities over the last 2 decades or so. So, male's personality is changing is a gradual process, whereas females can easily change their personality according to the situations. So these are the different traits of personalities. I again summarizes all the points so that you can easily understand about the topic. So there are three different identified properties of the personality, which is personality reflects different traits. It is stable, consistent, and enduring, and it can change under specific circumstances, though it may not change in all circumstances. Individual traits includes different types of features like shyness, or another features like, but two different person cannot be similar to each other. It may be twins or any brothers also. Second one is personality is stable, consistent, and enduring. Personality cannot be changed easily. It can be changed in certain situations. It reflects the person's response to the particular products or services. Personality may change from the different events in the life according to the third trait of the personality, in which personality can change, like the birth of the children, loss of the dear ones, and so on. It is a gradual process of changing the personality. Men can not easily change their personality, but the female can change their personality easily with the situation they occur. So these are the different traits of personality. If you have any query about this topic, or if you want to know what any the topic related to research methodology, business management, consumer behavior, you can ask me through comment box. If you like my video, please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, which is Learning with Dr. Shivangi. We will meet in the next video with new topic. Thank you everyone.